Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go login problem. To know how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go login problem, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will search about this window of Monopoly Go and you will click when you'll find it. Then you click force stop. After that we click storage. Then we click clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data, it may cause a lot of errors to your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.